Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make 3D stacked bar chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D stacked bar chart in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click chart option. And we can see here many charts. We select the bar chart, then find and select the 3D stack chart. Here the 3D stack chart and we select it, then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a 3D stack chart. You can change the chart title or legend or another thing. Firstly click the chart, then click the title text and select the text, then change the text to write on our keyboard. You can change the chart style. Click the chart and go to the format menu, design menu, then click style drop down menu, then choose another style. You can change the chart color. Click the colors option, then choose another color. Otherwise you can change layout of this chart. Click the quick layout drop down menu, then choose another layout. You can edit the chart data or another legend title. Click right button on our mouse and select edit data, then rename the legend. Now we can see here we edit the data of this chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.